Welcome to Car Vibes. Today, we're diving into a timeless piece of American automotive history, the 1975 Chevrolet Cameo Pickup. A rare and captivating blend of style, utility, and retro charm, the 75 Cameo still turns heads decades after its debut. While it was produced in limited numbers, this pickup remains a cult classic for collectors and enthusiasts who value a distinct character over conformity. On the exterior, the 1975 Chevrolet Cameo has a visual presence that feels both rugged and refined. Its body lines are clean and commanding, with bold square contours and just enough chrome detailing to catch the light without overdoing it. The front fascia features a wide grille flanked by dual square headlights, a signature design of its era. The hood is long and slightly raised, giving it a muscular look. Around the sides, the Cameo's fiberglass rear fenders give it a flared, sculpted look that stood apart from the more boxy trucks of the time. The shiny dark Souls paint, a deep, moody metallic black with crimson undertones, adds a contemporary twist to its vintage silhouette. It sits on polished steel wheels wrapped in white wall tires, staying true to the era's design language while maintaining an ageless stance. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with a charmingly simple yet durable interior. The dashboard features analog dials set in brushed metal, with large, easy-to-read gauges and a retro-style steering wheel that feels solid and mechanical in your hands. The bench seat, wrapped in leatherette or cloth depending on the trim, is firm yet surprisingly comfortable and stretches from door to door. There are minimal electronic frills, no touchscreens, no digital displays. Just the essentials: ventilation controls, a classic AM/FM radio, and a solid metal gear shifter mounted on the floor or steering column. The Cameo's interior is a time capsule from the 70s, offering a refreshingly analog driving experience that prioritizes driver engagement over digital distractions. Under the hood, the 1975 Cameo was typically equipped with either a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine or an optional 350 cubic inch V8, paired with either a 3-speed manual or automatic transmission. The V8 option, which many enthusiasts prefer, delivers respectable power for a truck of its time, around 155 to 165 horsepower, with enough torque to haul moderate loads or cruise comfortably on open roads. The ride is firm and steady thanks to a leaf spring suspension in the rear, which was standard for pickups back then, and though it may not handle like a modern SUV, its driving feel is pure and predictable. Acceleration is modest, steering is heavy by today's standards, and braking is done through front disc and rear drum brakes, a setup that was common in the era. It's not a performance machine by today's metrics, but it carries itself with confidence, especially when driven at a relaxed pace where its nostalgic charm can truly be appreciated. Fuel economy, while not a strong suit, was never meant to be. You can expect around 12 to 15 miles per gallon depending on the engine configuration and driving conditions. That said, nobody's buying a 75 Cameo to save on gas. This is a truck for someone who values heritage, craftsmanship, and design. In terms of practicality, the bed is usable for light-duty hauling, and the body-on-frame construction makes it robust and easy to work on. Restoration is made easier by the availability of GM parts and a strong enthusiast community. Many owners customize their Cameos with modern upgrades like disc brakes all around, air conditioning, or even LS engine swaps while retaining the classic look. As for pricing, it's not the most common truck in the vintage market, so values can vary widely. A fully restored 1975 Chevrolet Cameo in excellent condition can fetch anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 depending on originality, engine option, and paint quality. Restomod versions may even go higher if fitted with premium components and tasteful upgrades. On the lower end, project trucks or partially restored models might range between $12,000 to $20,000, though availability is limited and demand is steadily rising. Ultimately, the 1975 Chevrolet Cameo Pickup is a rolling piece of American heritage. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a fusion of utility and style from a time when trucks were built tough and made to last. Whether you're a classic car collector, a vintage truck enthusiast, or someone who appreciates design with a story, the Cameo delivers an experience that's hard to match. There's a soul to this truck, from the sound of its V8 engine to the feel of its steel door closing shut, and that's something no modern vehicle can replicate. Thanks for watching Car Vibes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic and modern car reviews. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your vibes high.